Hello class, welcome. In this class, we will read chapter first of 7th standard 3 questions from Honeycomb book. In this chapter, we will read that a king has 3 questions and he is seeking answers to them. What are the 3 questions? Does the king get what he wants? The story takes the form of a parable and it concerns a king who wants to find the answers to what he considers the 3 most important questions in life. The questions are the first question is, what is the right time to begin something? Second one is, which people should he listen to? Third question is, what is the most important thing for him to do? So, for getting the answers of these questions, he consults wise men, promising a large sum to anyone who could answer those questions, but their answers were too diverse and did not satisfy the king. So he goes to a hermit in search of his help. The rest of the story revolves around both of them. So let us come on the chapter. The thought came to a certain king that he would never fail if he knew 3 things. These 3 things were: what is the right time to begin something, which people should he listen to, what is the most important thing for him to do. So, in the first paragraph, it is mentioned that the king wanted to know the answers of these 3 questions. The first question is, what is the right time? What is the proper time to begin something? And what are the people he should listen? And what is the important affairs for him to do? Come on the next paragraph. The king therefore sent messengers throughout his kingdom, promising a large sum of money to anyone who would answer these 3 questions. So, for getting the answers of these questions, the king sent his messengers throughout his kingdom, in nook and corner of his kingdom, and he promised to give a large sum of money the person who would provide him the proper answer of these questions. 3 questions. Come on the next. Many wise men came to the king, but they all answered his questions differently. Many wise persons came near king, but their answers were so different. In reply to the first question, some said the king must prepare a timetable and then follow it strictly. Only it is in this way, they said, could he do everything at proper time. Others said that it was impossible to decide in advance the right time for doing something. The king should notice all that was going on, avoid foolish pleasures, and always do whatever seemed necessary at that time. Yet others said that the king needed a council of wise men who would help him act at the proper time. This was because one man would find it impossible to decide correctly with help from others the right time for every action. So, in this paragraph, it is mentioned that in the first question, most of the people had given different answer. Some advised king to prepare a timetable and follow it strictly, hardly, harshly. And this is the only way he can do everything at a proper time, on time. And others said it was impossible to decide in advance the right time for doing something. And some others had advised that it was impossible for king to decide in advance, to decide earlier what is right to do something. The king should notice all the things, all the affairs, what are, what are going, and he must not indulge in foolish pleasures. He must not pass his time foolishly in pleasure, in luxury, and always do whatever seemed necessary. And the king must be ready to know what is happening and what is necessary, what is right to do. Yet others said that the king needed a council of wise men who would help him act at the proper time. And people, others members of his court, others person had advised him he must make a council. Council means a group of people chosen to give advice or to make rules. He must make a council of wise men. The wise man would help him act at proper time. What is the proper time to do something? The council will advise the king. This was because one man would find it impossible to decide correctly without help from others the right time for every action. And then, in their opinion, it was impossible for a singular person, for a alone person to handle all the affairs. So the council was needed for taking proper action at the right time. Come on, the next paragraph. But then others said that there were some things which could be urgent. These things could not wait for the decision of the council. In order to decide the right time for doing something, it is necessary to look into the future, and only magicians could do that. The kings therefore would have go to magicians. And after that, others had advised the king that some things are very urgent. Urgent means some things are very important to do at the adjacent time, on time. And these things could not wait for the decision of the council, because if it will be waited, then it would be too late. So in order to decide the right time for doing something, it is very necessary to look into the future. And only the magicians is a person who know about the future, who can predict about the future, who could foretell about the future. So the advice of magician could do that, and by the help of magician, the king could know about the future, and he can handle the problem before time. Next paragraph. In their answers to the second question, some said that the people most necessary to the king were his counselors, others said the priests, a few others chose the doctors, and 8 others said that his soldiers were the most necessary. The second question is, which people should he listen to? For this question, the answer is that the people had given different answers for second question. To the second question, some said that the people most necessary to the king were his counselors. What do you mean by counselors? Member of the council. And others advised, said the priest. Priest, what do you mean? What do you mean by the word priests? Priest, one who praise God, one who indulge in rituals. A few others chose the doctors. Some advised counselors, others said priests, and few others advised doctors. And eight others said that his soldiers were the most necessary. So different answers to second question. Some people advised that the king should consult with counselors. Other advised him to take the help of priest, and few others advised to choose doctors, and some others advised to take the help of soldiers, because soldiers were the most necessary. After that, for the question number third, the question number third is which people should, oh sorry, question third is what is the most important thing for him to do? To the third question, some said science, others chose fighting, and eight others religious worship. To the third question, some said science is very important, others advised fighting, and eight others also advised religious worship. Religious worship means to pray the deity. Come on the next. As the answers to his questions were so different, the king was not satisfied and gave no reward. Instead, he decided to seek the advice of a certain hermit who was widely known for his wisdom. And whatever the advised had been given to the king was not happy to these advised. He was not satisfied. So he decided to consult, and the king was not satisfied and gave no reward. So he didn't give any reward anyone. And instead of these, he decided to take the help of, to seek. He started to search, to take the advice of a certain hermit. What do you mean by the word hermit? A person who lives alone and leads a simple life. You can say in a simple word, sage. And so he wanted to take the help of the hermit, the sage, who was very famous for his intellect, for his wisdom. So the king decided to meet with the sage. Come on the next. The hermit lived in a wood which he never left. He saw no one but simple people, and so the king put on ordinary clothes. Before he reached the hermit's hut, the king left his horse with his bodyguard and went on alone. The hermit lived in a wood. Wood means forest. The hermit was living in a forest, and he never left and he never leave his place. He was always staying at a proper place. He never left his place. He saw no one but simple people, and the hermit was meeting with ordinary people, simple people, and so the king went there in ordinary robes, clothes. And when he reached in front of the hermit's hut, the king left his horse with his bodyguard, and he left his bodyguard. Bodyguard means security man. He left all his security men outside the hut and went on alone inside the hut. As the king came near the hermit's hut, he saw the hermits digging the ground. In front of his hut, he greeted the king and continued digging. The hermit was old and weak, and as he worked, he breathed heavily. As the king came near the hermit, when the king came near hermit's hut, he saw the hermits digging the ground. The hermit was digging the ground. He was putting out sand from the earth, digging the ground in front of his hut. On that time, the hermit greeted, welcomed the king, and he was digging his ground continuously. The hermit was old and weak. The hermit was old and weak, and he was working. He breathed heavily. He was breathing heavily means he was feeling difficulty to take breathing.